On a potential ranking of the components that have a short lifespan on a brand new motorcycle, the license plate holder would definitely be on the podium. That happens because its design rarely enhances the silhouette of the motorbike on which it is mounted. The Lightech catalog contains numerous models specifically developed by analyzing the technical and aesthetic features of the motorcycle to which they are dedicated. The Lightech license plate holders are all available in two versions, Standard and Kit. The last mentioned variant includes approved light plate and retro reflector. They are made of PA12 polyamide compound, the lightest, enriched with carbon fiber. A perfect mix that makes the product particularly light and, at the same time, extremely resistant to vibrations and atmospheric agents. This material covers, in fact, a variety of temperatures. The Lightech license plate holders are equipped with retro reflector and adjustable indicator supports and can be customized thanks to various accessories and spare parts, such as the Ergel bolt kits, available in different color options, and the license plate light, to name a few. Most license plate holders can be combined with both original or aftermarket turn signals, like the new FRE 929 NER. Their innovative design recalls the wing of an airplane, while the three lenses that integrate the high-brightness LED perfectly match with the lines of the modern engines. In other words, the new FRE 929 NER turn signals have been designed with a unique and advanced style that is in line with nowadays supersport and naked bikes. Made of ABS material, a thermoplastic polymer with high impact resistance, the new FRE 929 NER turn signal is 64 mm in length, has amber LED, and last but not least, it is also E8 approved.